let's do a particular example here. Let's start off by taking a look at an ellipsoid. So here's an example of an ellipsoid. X squared over a squared plus y squared over b squared plus z squared over c squared is equal to 1, where a, b, and c are all constants. And it's probably easiest to make sure that like a, b, and c are all let's say positive, strictly positive constants here. Okay, something to think about is where do these, where do we end up cutting the various axes here? So let me draw, I don't know how many times I've done this so far, but let's draw x, y, and z axes here. Okay, what do we do? We are going to do, let's figure out what happens, where does this cross the x-axis? So crossing the x-axis, let's do x-intercept. So that would be setting y and z equal to 0. And we'd have just x squared over a squared is equal to 1, x squared is equal to a squared, x is equal to plus or minus a. And so this ends up cutting, the intercepts here are at, this point a 0, 0, and this point back here, negative a 0, 0. Similarly, checklist for yourself, the y-intercepts are going to be at 0, b 0, and 0, negative b 0. And again, check this for yourself. You should be able to kind of guess what's going on here. The z-intercepts are going to be at 0, 0, and c. Oops, that's negative c down there. And up here, 0, 0, and positive c. And so this ends up as what we call an ellipsoid. So let me kind of draw roughly what this is going to look like. So if we just kind of take cross sections, we get ellipses here. So if we take these cross sections, we get ellipses, and somehow we kind of go around all of this, and we get some kind of ellipse. It's an ellipsoid. Ellipsoid is kind of like a stretched or squished sphere. And in fact, if A and B and C are all equal, it is a sphere. So this is one of our important examples, is an ellipsoid.